Hi everyone, Allison here from the ProtoCase team. Today we're going to go over the My Account portal for ProtoCase, which lets you easily and quickly reorder previous orders that you've made at ProtoCase. In order to get started, you are going to need to register for My Account. You may have already created an account for other ProtoCase tools like the Template Generator or ProtoCase Designer. But because we've taken extra measures for security for My Account, you're going to need to create a unique login and password specifically for My Account. Now, I've already registered for My Account, but my coworker Chris hasn't, so here's an example of him registering. So one important thing to note, when you register, you have to use the same email address that we would have on file for you. So basically that means you need to use the same email address that you would have corresponded with us before and use to place your orders. And if you're stuck and you're not sure what email address to use, just contact us. We can get it sorted out for you. So once you've submitted your registration form, you're going to get an email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can log into My Account using the information you put into your registration form. As mentioned before, I've previously registered for My Account, so I'm going to log in using my email address and password from when I registered. Okay, so now that I've successfully logged into My Account, I can see all of the orders that my account has placed at ProtoCase, which in this case is ProtoCase. You can input the reference name, the PO number, or job number if you know it, or you can also filter by technical contact or the date range. Technical contact is the contact within your organization who requested the initial quote for the order. So I'm going to filter by choosing my name as the technical contact from the drop-down, and I'm also going to change the date range to be between March 1st, 2019, and let's say May 1st, 2019. So now my results have been filtered down to a pretty manageable list. Each previous order has a reference name, a PO number, technical contact, job number, date, and reorder status. Now in my case, the PO number field is blank because it's an internal order made here at ProtoCase, so there's no actual purchase order for it. So reorder status lets you know if the order is able to be placed as an instant reorder. And orders that would be excluded from this instant reorder status would be if the previous order had to be reworked, if there's a newer version of the same order, if our production team flagged the order as needing some design modifications before it could be reordered. And finally, blanket orders are currently ineligible for being reordered through My Account. Stay tuned for that functionality to come in a future release. So currently in My Account, you can only access orders that are instant reorder ready. So if you don't see an order here that you expected to see, just contact your ProtoCase account manager and we can get it sorted out for you. So I'm going to add job number 004151902392045-1, which is a bus bar sample, to my reorder queue. Once you click that Add to Reorder Queue button, the order goes into your cart, which is in the right-hand corner. Okay, now that I'm ready to proceed with my order, I'm going to click the Go to Reorder Queue button. Here I can change the quantity as needed, which is going to update the unit price. If you decide you want to remove an item from your reorder queue, just click the red Remove button. So now I'm going to click Next to proceed with my order. So here's where you enter the technical, purchasing, billing, and shipping contact. You can choose alternate contacts from the drop-down or also manually enter new contacts if you need to. Okay, so now we're on the final reorder screen. Here's where you need to review the reorder details one last time. From there, you can select your payment method as well as input a PO number or upload your PO if you'd like. If you choose credit card, your ProtoCase account manager will reach out to you to complete the transaction. If you choose Net 30, our accounting department will send an invoice once the order ships. One thing to note, if Net 30 terms haven't previously been set up for your account, you're not going to see Net 30 as a payment method option. So you're going to want to carefully review the contact and shipping details to make sure they're accurate. And then before proceeding, you'll need to manually check the box to agree to ProtoCase's terms and conditions of sale. And you can scroll through all of those terms and conditions in their entirety if you'd like. Once you've clicked Submit Reorder, you're going to instantly receive your order confirmation email. Your ProtoCase account manager is going to process your reorder as quickly as possible, and then it will go straight to ProtoCase's manufacturing. There's not going to be any e-drawing approvals required since it is a reorder with no modifications. If you run into any issues or have any questions, we're always here to help. Email your ProtoCase account manager, or you can also just email info@protocase.com. We're available by phone at 1-866-849-3911, or you can also use our online chat on our website during business hours. On behalf of all of us here at ProtoCase, thank you very much for being a ProtoCase customer. If there's anything we can do to make your life easier or help you get your projects done even faster, let us know. We're always here to help. Happy designing and happy reordering.